Hey, TJ with DaVinci Reprographics. I'm going to show you real quick how to lock down the head in the carriage assembly on the Colorwave series 500s, 700s. First thing you do is open up your window here. You'll have two screws, one here and one here that I've already removed just for time's sake. So I'm going to remove this second screw. These are Torx 20 bit. You can also use a Torx 15 bit if you don't have a 20, but it is a Torx 20. Then if you remove this cover from that side and slide it out, set that aside. Here's your carriage assembly. You're actually going to take and move this carriage assembly in towards the middle of the machine, about an inch or so. What you'll find in the carriage rails here are some holes here and here, and then you should have 4 of these guys that you will put through these little areas here, and they screw into those holes down in the carriage rails. So you've got 2 on each side, that one, that one, and then 2 on the opposite side that are just the same. And then once you get those in there hand tight, you can go, and there's 4 of them, then you can go ahead and use a screwdriver, tighten those down till they stop turning. So the threads on the bolts will stop spinning at the point where the spring is completely compressed.